Hi folks, hey, it's me again. Check this out. I just put this little hour meter on here, and guess how I did it? Hey, you don't have to guess. Let me show you. Okay, now I had to take this off. Take this off. Just squeeze this right here and pull it back, and then I pull my spark plug out, pull it out, and I wrap the wires around it, and then I just put it back in there. Okay, but I didn't drill any holes to mount this. This right here is just Velcro. I did, however, drill a little hole so the wire can come up through there. And it was that simple, just that simple, okay? I mean, I just drilled one little hole and put some Velcro on the back of it and stuck it on there. Nice, clean, you know, there you go. So all you gotta do is when you get through is put this back on there. See how clean that is? Now, I did test it out, and I think I ran it for about 20 minutes just to make sure it clicked over. So, and yeah, there you go. Let's put this back on there, and I'll show you what it looked like. I mean, it was so simple. I mean, I could have put it somewhere else, but the reason I wanted to put it over here because this is the service side. You know, yeah. This is the service side, so that's why I put this in there like that. So yeah, okay.